Hey guys, what's up? It's your number one boy. This video is to finally get out there and answer questions that people at work ask me all the time. I am a paleontologist, so telling people ask me, right? Like they go, "Hey Kai, hey man," but what do they sound like? And after a lot of analysis of the esophagus and vocal cords of the velociraptor, I have a demonstration. There's two parts, right? So there's the like on the prowl, or OTP for short. That's what I call it. And then there's the attack phase. So on the prowl, they're getting a little excited, they're getting a little antsy, you know. It sounds a little bit like guttural, you know, like right like that, you know. Like so. This is what it sounds. Here it is. And then the attack. I mean, this is where it gets really spicy. So, this is where you got like the arms up, they're flinging. They also have some sharp ankles. So go like that, right? Like it's more of a. You know, I'll just do the whole thing. It goes a little bit like this. So. And that's it.